on this side, I'll take you to go and see what was the issue, why it was leaking. So on this side, the clamp is missing. So what happened was, like, as you turn, you know, this kind of slide off. See this? This kind of slide off, and you know, the power steering fluid will leak, and then that will cause issue with the power steering or so. So I kind of, you know, connect these two, you know, the rubber boot from the tie rod to the rack, kind of, you know, making sure that, you know, it's connected. And then I'm gonna use this little clamp kit that I bought from the auto store for like $8. I'm gonna use it on here to clamp it, to make it tightly secure so that it won't slip off. Hopefully that will solve the issue. Please, sure it's in. I'm gonna Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I put in the clamp and I kind of cut it, and I just put in some new power steering fluid. So it's kind of leaking a little bit here because it's kind of full, but hopefully this will do the trick. If not, then I'll probably have to replace this whole boot from the tie rod here, okay? The tie rod boot here. And pretty much they sell these with the new clamps. So we'll give it a try and see, okay?